Hi everyone, I am going to do a trinket box today. My mum is 91 at the end of this month, and I thought what a nice little present to do her like a little trinket box. And obviously it goes that way and you fill it that way. I'll make sure this time. So with them I want it quite, I don't want to colour in it, I want it quite see-through. So there's some of those there that I should put in. And there's these as well, these little glittery bits. And I've used these before, and these are lovely, how they shine, as you can see. Now I need something like delicate, and my best glitter that I've got, I don't know if you'll be able to see inside there, that's like an iridescent one. That's a beautiful glitter in there, that's why I keep it safe in there. What I actually did, I put water into the mould, fill that up to the top, and then I measured it so as I know how much resin that I will need. So I'll get things ready. To do these is 6 ounce, 3 obviously of each, and I'll measure that up and then I'll come back when I'm adding the glitter. So that's mixed now, so I'm going to put a bit of that in and see how that goes. And what else did we say? We said a few of these, which I don't want a lot. So that's those. I don't think it needs really anything else, but what have we got in here? Oh, a few little stars. Right, so I'll mix that up and I'll be back. Okay, so that's mixed, and don't forget to level whatever you're going to be putting it on. Okay, now what I've done here, well no, I'm not going to say what I've done there. That's a bit of a surprise. So we'll put those there. They don't look very level, but wait, hey. We'll see how it goes. Let's see how level that is. You can't really gauge it because it goes in. Play it by ear, I guess. So let's pour and fill it up and see how we go. I just want something nice, how can you say, dainty and pretty. So that's filled up now, that's filled up. I'll just keep checking on it for air bubbles, and when we undo, we will see what I actually put in the lid. So we'll leave it at that for now, and then I'll be back tomorrow. Oh, hi everyone. This is the morning after the day before, when I actually poured the resin, and like I say, I didn't show you what was put in there, but I'll tell you if it works. But I did start filming, and I had to take this off camera because obviously it goes that way, and trying to get that part there over was a job and a half. So I had to do it off. But look at that. How beautiful is that? And it's so smooth. It's lovely. It's come out really well. So what we're going to do now is see what happens with this. If I can get off what I put inside. So far so good. And like I say, I'm hoping that it doesn't break. But we shall see how strong the resin is, because I had to actually force it in. I think I'll be doing the same again. I'm going to have a struggle, so I'll be back. Well, I got it off, and that goes back up that way for the next. And what I did, oh, it's months and months ago, I made a rose out of clay, and I thought, that's what I'll put in the top. And there it is, the rose, as you can see in there. So that's the part that you will pick up, and then that fits perfectly in there. Isn't that pretty? I do like this very much. This has come out really well. I wanted something delicate for my mum. Like I say, she's 91 on the 26th, and I wanted to do this as a surprise. And that rose has actually stayed beautiful inside there. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. It's lovely, and it's not too heavy. I mean, you know, resin's heavy, but this isn't too bad with it, obviously having the hole in the middle. But yeah, that's beautiful. Also, I did have a little bit of resin over, so I did this one, which is like a garland. Oh, they do come out beautiful. Look at that. I mean, that wouldn't actually fit on there, but there's always different things you can add to these sort of things. And also, I did the swan. And we'll see what happens with this one. Oh, just the detail on these are absolutely beautiful. The only thing is, this mould doesn't make this shiny. But the way to make it shiny, like me, I've done nails for, I don't know, 7 years. So, let's see. I've got a top coat here. Let's see if this makes a difference to it being shiny. Yes, it does. I mean, all this has got to be done is done for 60 seconds in a UV lamp. So I'll just finish that off, and then I'll be back. So there's the difference. And now that is shiny. That's beautiful. The detail. Now, if you haven't, in this, if you hadn't done anything different in there, that could be stuck on the top of there. It's a bit awkward to show you, really. That can be stuck on the top, and then that can be your handle to pick it up. It fits quite well inside there. You know, there's always a lot you can do. Just fits inside there. Oh, there you go, me and my ideas. Comes out all different. So, that's what you can do. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you with my next. Bye!